In this video, you are going to see how to draw vertical arrow in Microsoft Word document, as you can see here. Let's get started. To insert the vertical arrow, let us go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a line shape and hold down the Shift key to make the straight vertical arrow and drag it like this. Click on the shape, click on right button, go to Format Shape. Then from here you can increase or decrease the width. Let us make it 8 point. You can change the color of your choice from here. If you want to change the dash type, you can change it from here. If you want to add the end arrow, just select from here. And if you want to choose the begin arrow type, you can choose from here. Select it, press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it over here, choose another color, and you can choose another style from here, and you can apply another arrow type from here. Then it will look perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.